Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese Lafleur and I'm back with another video. What up? What up, what up, what up? What up? Okay guys, this video is all about this hairstyle that I got, and I was inspired by NNENNAB. Yes, I snatched this whole hairstyle. I'll actually post her full video down below. She did hers a little different than mine. I did mine as a braidless crochet braid. So in the back it is crochet, but it's no braids. No braids, honey. No braids. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I got this look, but first I want you to stop right now if you are not already subscribed to my channel, and do it right now. And once you're doing that, go ahead and hit that notifications bell so that anytime that I upload a post, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, share this video with your friends, comment, like, share, subscribe. You already know. Oh, you heard that note? Kiki Wyatt, look out. Nah, not at all. All right guys, let's get right into the video. Don't forget to bloom, because a flower is so blossoming in nature. I'll see you guys in my next one.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. I've already parted my hair. I'm using 3 packs of the Batik Reggae braid, and what I did was I just put my hair in the back in a ponytail, braided that up and wrapped it around. Super simple, easy, cute sis, real cute sis. Okay, so what I'm doing now is kind of like, if you guys saw my video where I made the crochet braided wig, basically the same thing, but just throwing it through my hair and pulling it straight out. Like I'm not even I'm not tying them, because I don't like the way I don't want to tie around my hair basically. So I'm just going into my second pack. So I use 2 packs in the back and 1 pack in the front, so total of 3 packs. Okay. Alright, so once the back is done, I'm going to go in and start with the front. I've already parted off a section to cover up the back so you don't see those crochet braids. Not necessarily necessary, but I did do that. I'm pulling aside 2 pieces of that Batik braid hair, because I want to, put those 2 braids in the front. So I'm going in with my Got2b gel, as you saw, and I am just brushing up that part so I can make a ponytail with my hard brush. So you see me doing that now, and I'm doing the same thing like I always do, braid it up, and then you're just going to wrap it around and get ready for the bun. So before I put the bun in, I'm going to go in and do my braids. So at first I was going to do Eden braids, and I was like, sis, anyway, that's time. No. So I just did regular braids, but they ended up looking pretty natural anyway, so that's what you see me doing now. Did you guys ever see, like a month ago, I did the box braids, and I taught you guys how to braids. I will actually put that link here so you can hit above and you'll be able to see that. That'll be cute, sis. You can learn how to braid. Okay, so now I'm going, and I'm just using that same gold piece that comes on a gold rubber band. I'm just wrapping that around. I'm just twisting it, doing a big 2-strand twist, and then on the end I'm just going to go ahead and put a rubber band so it does not unravel. So when you're twisting it around your head, you want to twist it twice, like twist it while you're twisting it around to make the bun, so that that 2-strand twist stays in. Got me? Got me. I hope looking at it at the same time makes it make sense, because sometimes I suck at explaining things. Like I've always been like that. So I'm going in with my paint Manga hair edge control. This was sent to me a while ago. There's a video on this too, sis. We got videos, sis. Y'all missing out. So I'm gonna post that video as well when I did my band knots. So I'm just gonna go in with my brush. I'm just going to push those baby hairs back. Now, if anyone knows, you know how I feel about my baby hairs, you know how I feel about my forehead. If you could comment down below, tell me what I'm gonna say about my forehead. Tell me what I'm gonna say. It's so small, you can't have baby hairs on your head. Can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go do my makeup. Ooh, makeup is done, sis. Do you see how the edges look when I did that scalp? You saw that? Okay. So I'm just taking out those braids, and those braids actually create like a braid out pattern, which works super well with this Marley hair. Like it just, or this Reggae braided hair. It looks like, sis, you see that? You peeping? Oh, okay. So I'm just going in and putting some of those little hair accessories on my hair. You know, this is what's in right now, just to make the style, you know, even more better. That is not proper English. Do not judge me. Alright guys, that is a final look. I am loving this style. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. You already know. I'll see you guys